Welcome back to my classroom office closet. Today is day 2 of the setup, and today my plan is to work on getting this piece of plywood, that's my desk, sanded, sized, and maybe stained if I have enough time. I need to cut these, the people at the hardware store only did like approximate cuts. I need to cut a little bit more, so we'll hopefully get that done. Maybe some wallpaper. I need to order a chair. We'll get a couple things done, so come along for the ride. Well, I already got it stuck. If you missed day 1 of my closet classroom setup, make sure you check that out so that you are on board and you know what the plan is. Basically, I'm gonna put a desk right here. I'm gonna put some faux wallpaper there, a chair, and this will be my little zone because I have 2 kids and I need to be able to close the door and work, and we have this weird office in my house, well, closet in my house with a window, so it's gonna be my office. My name is Natalie Priester. I'm a English learner teacher in the Inland Empire in Southern California. We are distance learning currently for the first 6 weeks of school. All we've been told is that, and that we are going to keep our same hours. And it looks like we'll be doing some locked in face-to-face time, and then it looks like on Fridays we're working with parents. I'm not quite sure. Our admin is still figuring everything out, so I'm setting up my space since I can't really plan my lessons. I can bring you along for the lesson planning too if you like, but okay, let's get back to work and I have to get this thing unstuck. Oh, it looks like a drafting desk right now. Okay, I got some work to do. Show me. All I've been doing is sanding, sanding, sanding. We cut these, wasn't very precise, so I'm sanding it some more. Basically, I have an approximate cut and then lots of sanding is my strategy. Okay, I'm about to start staining, but my son has other plans for me. He's a little hungry. So I royally messed this thing up. Look, do you see? I didn't stain it, apply the paint thing right. It's supposed to look like this, but it looks like a gooey mess instead. I called my dad and he told me a way to fix it. I should have watched a YouTube video before I did it. Right now I feel like I just should have bought a desk. I found something that works. I found an old barbecue brush and a bucket of water. I'm using a lot of elbow grease, but I think I got it fixed. This was my dad's idea. This did nothing for me. This is the trick. Okay, that's enough for today. This is a front piece. This is what I was hoping it would look more like. Now that I'm looking at it in the light, it's not perfect, but you get the idea. So I cleaned it. It looks like this now, and then my dad said, just wait until tomorrow. So my day 2 of setup doesn't have any beautiful results, you guys. So tomorrow I will have more on my classroom in a closet build. I might go ahead and attach the desk to the wall, but I also might wait until I can find a chair and have the exact measurements. I like to sit with my legs pulled up to my chest, and so I'm gonna get one with like low arms, but also low enough profile so that it won't hit in the door. Why are you laughing? She has no reason to laugh right now. Anyways, I will have more for you. I'm keeping it real. Like, I'm not gonna say it's day 2 and then like pretend I did a bunch of things I didn't do, and really all I did today was sand and paint. Huh? What else did Mom do? Huh? Did I do anything else today?
No.
Did we eat?
Yeah.
That's good, huh? Lots of snacks. Some days are like that. Okay, bye everybody. Like, subscribe, stay tuned. I'll also be sharing more and more classroom stuff as I get going. And I have a bunch of like top 10 lists. I like making those, and things for teacher moms. So if you are a teacher mom, be sure to check in, get on my email list so I can send you goodies, and connect with us on Instagram if you want to see more details from our daily life. Okay, say bye, friends.
Bye, Alexina.
Those are her friends. Bye.